ConvertKit offers an easy way to create landing pages that help capture leads and grow your email list. Here's how to use ConvertKit for landing pages. Create a new landing page. Log into your ConvertKit account and go to the Landing Pages and Forms section. Click on Create New and choose Landing Page. ConvertKit offers several pre-designed templates to get you started quickly. You can select a template based on your goal. Customize your landing page. ConvertKit's drag and drop editor makes it easy to customize your landing page. You can add text, images, videos, and forms to capture visitor information. Simply click on the elements you want to edit and personalize them to align with your brand. Add a compelling headline, description, and call to action to encourage visitors to sign up. Set up an opt-in form. Choose an opt-in form that collects your visitor's name, email, or other relevant information. This form is connected to your email list, so new subscribers are automatically added when they sign up. Publish and promote. Once your landing page is ready, publish it and share the URL across your website, social media, or paid ads. You can also track the performance of your landing page, such as conversion rates and subscriber growth, using ConvertKit's built-in analytics.